guys, so welcome to another food review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Subway Sweet and Smoky Chicken Bacon Panini. The combo I got today cost me about $6.80 something Canadian because I had coupons. I think the combo regular price predate $9 Canadian, I believe. I just wanted to try it out and see how it is since this is brand new, and then with the coupons saves me some money so I can get you guys good food reviews here. Or just gonna check it out. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see it here. That's what it looks like. It's got, oh, it's hard to see here. I'm trying to get the paper down so you guys can see it. Okay. So chicken, green pepper, bacon, tomatoes. I believe it's a honey mustard sauce. There's also green peppers, and then the chicken and the bacon. And let's see how it is. I forgot to ask them to cut it in half. I usually like it cut in half. So hopefully this isn't going to be too messy here. Oh, crap, I think it's going to fall apart. Chicken. It's kind of sweet and tangy. Really wish I could a little bit more sweet, a little bit more tangy, but I just have a lot of flavor. I just wish it had more flavor. Oh, excuse me. So I think I'm gonna give this sandwich. Sorry guys, I got the hiccups right now. Sorry, 1 second. 4 out of 5 stars. Excuse me. So you give it 4 out of 5 stars. If it's a little bit more sweet and tangy, excuse me. Sorry guys. If it's a little bit more sweet and tangy, I'd give it 5 out of 5 stars. But I still recommend you guys try it out. And look in the mail if you haven't got your Subway coupons yet. Well, excuse me, hopefully you get them soon. Sorry guys. Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.